Black Friday's here, and every brand's screaming sale. Meanwhile, I'm still trying to make my poster look decent. So I thought, what if I just let AI do it for me? Let's see if it actually works. Hey, here's the trick. It's called Layout to Design on Pippit, and it basically does the layout part for you. Let's test it. Go to Pippit AI, log in, and click Image Studio Arrow Layout to Design. I'm making a Black Friday tech sale poster. Think gadgets, modern, high contrast. So I'm adding my laptop photo and typing Black Friday tech deals, up to 50% off. Then, in the prompt box, I'll write sleek metallic background with glowing blue accents, dynamic composition, futuristic text style. Click Generate, and here we go. You can see how clean and futuristic it looks. The metallic background, glowing blue lights, and bold typography all match perfectly with the tech theme. The composition feels balanced, just like a real professional ad. I'll type my prompt. Cinematic sci-fi tech advertisement with floating gadget, holographic effect, glowing edges, black and silver tone, modern, minimalistic design, bold sale typography, clean, futuristic atmosphere. Then I'll add my sale text. Up to 50% off, tech madness. You can also choose font style, add shadows or backgrounds, and select your aspect ratio. Once everything's ready, click on Generate. It'll take a few seconds, so be patient. And here we go. Our posters are ready and they look super attractive. These are our tech posters, and you can download them in JPG or PNG without any watermark. Now let's try another one, this time a food poster. I'll write the prompt. Juicy burger with melted cheese and fries, dark rustic background, glowing yellow highlights, dynamic food composition, bold typography saying, big burger deal, 30% off. Then I'll type the sale text, big burger deal, 30% off. Choose a 9:16 ratio for YouTube and hit Generate. And here it is. My burger poster is ready. You can pick your favorite one. Edit it further in Canvas, upscale it in Paint, Outpaint, or even erase anything you don't like. And yes, you can also convert it into a video if you want. Next, let's try generating something like a fashion poster. Same steps, but my prompt says, model silhouette with red and black background, bold text, modern magazine vibe. Click Generate. And boom, totally different mood, but just as good. So yeah, if you're still stressing over your Black Friday visuals, don't. Go to Pippit AI. Pippit now offers new users a free trial and 50% off. Let AI make your posters while you focus on making money. The Pippit AI link is available in this video's description. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.